This is a closer look at the Strike King Silent Series Green Gizzard XD lure here. This is what it looks like up close. This is, again, the green gizzard color right here. And again, this is the 6 XD model here. You can see it's got some very large hooks on it. And these are supposed to go really deep into the water and just do a really phenomenal job. I haven't used this lure yet, but it's very, I'm just looking to basically build up my tackle box. I bought a tackle box with like a all-in-one where I'm just upgrading the products little by little. And some friends of mine who are very deep into fishing and have a lot of expertise, they recommend Strike King and brands like TrueSend, but they said you definitely got to get this Silent XD one. So again, this is the green gizzard here. This is what it looks like up close. Really nice hooks, really nice item here. You can see these are reinforced right here. Hooks are made really nice, but overall, the Strike King lures I have been using, I'm very happy with them, and I can't wait to get started using this one. But again, it's the Strike King Silent Series Green Gizzard lure.